Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kuma-screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Yo guys, to say I am heartbroken would be an understatement. So, this lady killed this gentleman over here, and she killed him because umfana did not buy her a Valentine's gift. So she stabbed him 17 times. So umfana Bantu just lost his life because he didn't buy a girl a Valentine's gift. Is that what it has come to? Usesiyabulalana manje mise singathola ama-gift. We are sending condolences to the boy's family. May his soul rest in peace, and may he fight and get the justice that he deserves. Because what do you mean someone died because of a gift? This girl, Nai, she needs to be arrested, obviously, and dealt with. Like, she can't carry on living her life as if kunomalwe, as she killed someone's son for a gift. No guys, asingadlali kanjena. Hey.
Ezibuhlungu-ke nganza kwethu azipheli. Owesifazane ugwaze owesilisa athandana naye amanxeba awu-17 kubangwa ukuthi akamthengelanga isipho se-Valentine. I-Valentine-ke usuku nje lwangomhla ka-14 oludlulayo, kodwa-ke ladlula nomuntu ngane zakwethu in the name of love, ukuthi kanti yini lengaka ngothando bawungayitholanga igift. Futhi igift ukuze uyithole kufanele ngikhiphe imali ekhukhwini ngithenge. If leyo mali anginayo, why lo wesifazane angamkeli ukuthi imali ayikho ngaleso sikhathi ukuze azathatha isinqumo esimbi esifana nalesi? Nanokuthi-ke enye into eshaya abantu besifazane, ezinye izinto bayazidimanda, ezinye izinto bayaziphoqa, kube ngathi izinto zenzeka nge-magic noma izinto zenzeka ngomlingo. Kanti nayo-ke ingane yabantu, if inthi imali ayinayo okwamanje ayinayo, like nje i-Valentine ingumhla ka-14, mhlawumbe lona wesilisa uhola ngomhla 25, uzohola on 25, mhlawumbe bese ethi baby ubufuna nge-Valentine because angikwazanga ukuthi ngikwenzele something, but manje kufanele ngikwenzele something ezokujabulisa. So lo wesifazane isinqumo sakhe mina ngiyamjaja, sibe simbi sibe sikhulu, kuyicala-ke futhi lokho akwenzile. Kodwa-ke before mina ngimjaje, wena uthini? Asihlangane laphayana kwi-comment section sizwe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena uthini ngalolu daba. Ungakhohlwa ukuchofa subscribe button le channel yethu Umgosi. Siphinde futhi sihlangane kwi-video elandelayo, sikuphathela amanye ama-video ahlabahlosile kule channel yethu Umgosi.